When we talk about living longer, most people think about expensive supplements, strict diets, or rare herbal secrets. But what if the key to a longer, stronger, and sharper life has been sitting quietly in the grocery store aisle all along? Because here's the truth. Longevity isn't built in one day. It's the small choices we make every morning, every meal, every bite that decide how long and how well we live. So today, we're uncovering 5 underrated longevity foods you're probably not eating, yet they can slow aging, protect your heart, and even help you feel years younger. Stay with me till the end, because number 5 might just surprise you. It's a food most people walk past every single day without realizing it's one of nature's best anti-aging weapons. But before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. You'll learn simple, powerful health secrets that could change your life. And trust me, you don't want this to be the last time you see us. 1. Black garlic, the aged healer. You've probably heard about regular garlic, but black garlic is a completely different story. It's aged for weeks under controlled heat, turning black, soft, and sweet. But what's more important is what happens inside. Black garlic is packed with N-acetylcysteine, a compound that protects your cells from oxidative stress, the same stress that accelerates wrinkles, fatigue, and chronic disease. Studies show it improves heart health, supports liver function, and even enhances immunity. It's the ancient wisdom of garlic, amplified. Try adding it to soups, stir fry, or even a slice of toast. Your future self will thank you. 2. Barley, the forgotten grain. In the rush for quinoa and oats, barley has quietly faded into the background, but this humble grain might be the unsung hero of longevity. It's rich in beta-glucans, a special fiber that lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar, and feeds your gut microbiome, the tiny ecosystem inside you that controls digestion, immunity, and even mood. People in the world's longest living regions, like the Japanese island of Okinawa, still eat barley daily, and researchers believe it's one of their biggest secrets to health and long life. So instead of plain rice, try a warm bowl of barley. It's the food your body has been missing. 3. Purple sweet potato, the longevity root. Let's be honest, this one looks too beautiful to be real, but those deep violet hues aren't just for show. They come from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your blood vessels and brain cells from aging. In Okinawa, home to some of the oldest people on Earth, purple sweet potatoes are eaten daily. They provide complex carbs for energy, fiber for digestion, and anti-inflammatory protection for your entire body. Every bite is like sending your cells a message: stay young, stay strong. 4. Moringa, the miracle tree. Known as the tree of life, moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet, and yet, most people have never tried it. Its leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach. It fights inflammation, stabilizes blood sugar, and strengthens the immune system, making it one of the most complete longevity foods ever discovered. You can blend the powder into smoothies or sprinkle it on your meals. It's nature's multivitamin straight from the earth. 5. Fermented foods, the forgotten fountain of youth. This one might shock you. It's not a single food, but a category that's been keeping ancient cultures young for centuries. Think yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, or fermented soy. These foods feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and that's critical because your gut doesn't just digest food. It communicates with your brain, immune system, and even your mood. When your gut thrives, your whole body thrives. Fermented foods help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and may even extend lifespan by supporting the gut-brain axis, your body's inner communication highway. So before you reach for another supplement, start with the foods that have stood the test of time. Longevity isn't about chasing eternal youth. It's about building a body that serves you for a lifetime. These 5 foods might not make you immortal, but they can make every year you live feel stronger, clearer, and more vibrant. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember this. Every choice on your plate is either speeding up your clock or winding it back. Choose wisely, because the secret to longevity isn't hidden in a lab. It's growing right in front of you.